A double integration, let us go for it. Double integration is y is x to 1 and x is 0 to 1 sin y square dy dx. Integration of this is difficult, so we use the change of order of integration. For that we draw a graph. Here you see y equals to x. This line is y equals to x and y equals to 1. This line is y equals to 1. So y goes from x to 1. Suppose this you see y equals to x and a point 1, it is this point. From this point y equals to x, you have to go y equals to 1. You see a strip, a vertical strip. To change the order of integration, we do the opposite. That is a vertical strip, now a horizontal strip. And you see that for this strip is parallel to x-axis. So we take the limit for x. This point is x equals to 0, and this point is according to this point is x equals to y. Both are same, so x equal to y, x equals to 0 to x equals to y. So the same double integration now becomes sin y square dy dx, and this time x is from 0 to x is 0 to y, 0 to y. Now for y, this strip, such strips goes from 0, this point to this line y equals to 1. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Now integration of x, we have to integrate with respect to x first, because here you see the limit for x equal to 0 to y, x equals to 0 to x equals to y. So integration of x dx will be x. So this will be 0 to 1 x, integration is x, and limit is 0 to y, 0 to y. Now the remaining thing is sin y square dy. Now this will be the value y. So y sin y square dy. Now it is very easy to evaluate. This will be 1 by 2, and integration will be cos y square with minus sign. Limit is from 0 to 1. Putting the limit 1 first, 1 by 2 minus cos 1, thereafter 0, plus 1 by 2 cos 0 is 1. So now taking 1 by 2 common, we have 1 minus cos 1. So 1 minus cos 1 is the answer, and this answer you see in D. So D is our correct option.